Ubedem eti yek me kake no Ofori Atta asem no enkofa dwen ye o se na me tan papa no ebusua na me ntan no
eti kan Ofori Atta asem no de ebusua enya adeta Captain Smart ene General Mosquito honorable Asiedu Nketia omo be fire abebo gumbi ene superment omo kirem say kan Ofori Atta de bebe ohye bia on they will fish him out said the fisherman ede dawa yi nam nsuo mu no and someone Captain Smart personally obedi kan fa kan Ofori Atta ho de busua enya asem kuma ahaye Penyah blog media mesrewa say obe like video na obe subscribe button so we click notification icon na be kire wadwen ede ama me comment section. From yesterday, Ofori Atta has been in the hottest trend. Nininaye OSP, a Office of the Special Prosecutor, Kisi Ejaben, Ebediklen wanted and fugitive.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, a few minutes ago, I signed a directive declaring a high-profile person a fugitive from justice. This person is wanted by the OSP to answer charges in respect of several cases, including the following. 1. Contractual arrangements between Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited and the Ghana Revenue Authority for the stated objective of the enhancement of revenue assurance in the downstream petroleum sector, upstream petroleum production, and minerals and metals resources value chain. 2. Termination of a distribution, loss reduction, and associated network improvement project contract between the Electricity Company of Ghana Limited and Beijing Zhaochen Technology BXC. 3. Procurement of contractors and materials and activities and payments in respect of the National Cathedral project. 4. Activities and payments in respect of a contract awarded by the Ministry of Health, initially commenced by the Ministry for Special Development Initiatives to Service Ghana Auto Group Limited for purchases and after-sales service and maintenance of 307 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 305 CDI ambulances for the National Ambulance Service. And 5. Payments out of and utilization of the tax refund account of Ghana Revenue Authority. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the fugitive's name is Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta.
Now, I wanted we mono. I will say honorable Asiedu Nketia. I be share an opinion on that. I will tell them say, can Ofori Atta the baby shebia they will fish him out and end this for so omonya study.
The maker check Ghana for ne say, ye keen interest in say, Mahama must not fail. Enti bibia SSC ye na ye di a contract no so with Ghana for no ye be near di ye bosha no so enunti ene mate say we so start a friend is a special prosecutor so
yes.
But bia we she bia o mekwa akofa number ama waba be yi ne Ken Ofori Atta
Eso yare
obeba
yare mpaso no
obeba wo mu nyina boni bia obi adi bia o meyi ne ho ano ube yi ho ano a o ye free nti no accountability no ye be miamu kesi pa se ye mu bia ye so ye bia wonfa de same mra
ye fanche mo
mesi ye di sa mra ye bu mra no so amonche ye
I see.
Now we say Captain Smart 1,000. Captain Smart, I was son of Mran say king of morning show in Ghana here. On the son home and say only the king of morning shows in Ghana here. Honestly, I be opinion more fire on Ken Ofori Atta. Oh, in fact, Ofori Atta a wicked man. On now bog Ghana form.
Ubedem eti yek me kake no Ofori Atta asem no enkofa dwen ye o se na me tan papa no ebusua na me ntan no data bank enye mama de a wan na bi ye se me na nefo anso kan se mi kire me emra akoda hospital a owu na me ngina ho owu ye na ye frɛ me but answer no yare ye keten wa ba berwa 89 years answer the hospital ya na ye fra me ne kasa o kan se mi kire me 3 months ansa me nana ba ewu o se wudini epeso opirawo a oyi ne ho fi agro nim enso de nani wo ho se me nana me ko my grandmother told me so bewu isabe nana kwaku bi chem da of the phone frame me say e phone so ne me nkasa no o ka cha me nana be ma say kwaku twon ho na me ne kwadwo nkasa menim sabe nana ba be ma twe ne ho anasa wan twe ne ho a I don't know cause then video call o say me nana me di we jaw if you say me ko sa wudini epese oprawa o twe ne ho fi agro nim na enso na nani edi wachi eti wa braba aka no aye hu awudifo a woni won egro o twe ne ho kura won so ma wani ndi nachi wa hyeda opese oprawo eti wo beti ante se o kana for Atta data bank ye ne dia dem mo se de adwuma no onka ho mpanifo adwuma hye won sa no enka ho anya bia odidi wom aya data bank for etuanka Yamani Bibiana. If the answer is yes, they are. The interest in the sense of your finance minister. Na Ghana Bobby Sia a honefa, near 10% Emma Bank. No. I am not dream say Jimmy. Hey, I am going to say Jimmy. And Mrana, you Ghana have friend in law alone. That is why sometimes I told a friend lawyer that not all that are legal are right. And not all that are right are legal. Not everything that is legal is right. Yes, it is legal. Can you forget and can the tobacco? But the tobacco one there. Now you tell me about Bessia bonds are you raising 13.5 billion. Hey. $13.5 billion. What a cash, man. Maybe you got a man penny now, me $10 billion. Member 25 factories. I'm telling you today. Because on my way, me Buddha, me sa be bubium, and do pajidu pajai. On my way, me disupay, me se disubium, and then me catch now, chode to the tour. On my way, me disuda, me send disubium. Me can the third time the last one. On my way, me bupain, me send bubium. And when I say who 10 billion, you can count 25 factories. Mainstream workers, and yet less than 2,000. That is when you will see, say, you will nyansanin ya wakwasia. Energy H boy say, you are nyansanin and so kwasia, and you pay me so one tears here. Mobaji show na ya me ahwe. Wo de na me yampon, wo hwe me na wa humi amomfie. Tie. 13.5 billion US dollars like can for Atta raise here bonds. Bisa the Ashanti region and other MPs ebufu ye so on pekeno for Atta. They saw say papa ne mambo for. ABC that in the political history of this country, say MPs of a political party, a ruling government, akambom 88. And a major Mahama Koda number 8. Cause our project 8, you know, aji only John and a bit of a year no. Because John is JOH and a 4. The second coming of John Mahama times 2. 4 times 2 a 8. Momon TV as mun nim sunsumu yen yewu akwa ba me third time nie mimi ni me wo chen eti sa nwotwe krono no ade na yawo na ye twe no sen no awotwe amon ya ma bi ase edi awotwe no wote ase obi a yawo na ye twe no samanko ye pra no ye kuno me wi ase me ba me nsi obi a ye fra na awotwe a waye ye da ebia woni mo bi aka chem na me nkɔ hwe no ba hwe wonam fofom wan ya wona ye frɛ na wɔtwe a waye da fo ani fam Edin awotwe no kra ye ntanto. Because ye fe ne nsaman kodin. What do you say ye wo a wo toso number 8 nti ne ye fra wa awotwe. Enye awotwe eye nwotwe. 8 ye wo o te we I nwotwe enye awotwe. The sound say ye fra obi awotwe anche say ye 8. Nwotwe na ye 8 n eti the din awotwe no eye nsaman kodin de ye wo na ye twe na se ye de to obi a owo anu wawu ne ba a wa wo no ba ko eti se wo ma me wo 1 no wawu 2 3 no wu sa ye wo na wo tena se a ne ye se de ye wo na ye twe no ba ye ma kwan ma wo nko eti John Dramani Mahama John JOHN wakoba ko 4 osaba biom te ye 4 times 2 ese enya 8 no said ye be ya oman na akofado na ebusuafo ya wo ye man ya wie na wo twe ne nsamanko no age ye nya obi a oye nwotwe obetimi ya wo awo no na wetimi ya twe every one sem. That is why John Mahama came back. Me, I saw it, I told you. Let me feel ho na eba woni ani ganse hunu no wokroma. It's $13.5 billion. Mr. Nanado, any kind of Ofori say, sika no he. Yede. MPP MPs, sorry TI. Say ye mpeke no Ofori ata. Meboa. Dem pa no mu hu ye, say finance minister. Aba. Ade a wo hu ye ne say, sika ye de bo man ho bra no, ye say no. $58 million and the chrono. Naba umi edim. Oya campaign na ohuru to second year preacher. No ohuribo huruko ta. Na sikani nyina ashe. You are raising loans. And also, ashe. Abai way, worker revenue, taxes, any bonds in Abomwa. Now we're quantifying into dollars, $77.5 billion. This is another sort of audio. Okwa Asante region, Osama Kwesi, 40-bed hospital, 60-bed hospital. Now your budget so, hey, yeniaje, Adenta Akufado, Abebie, baller so. Hospital na ye bosi obi aso be ye interchange ama wa ma no wakobie bridge na wo tikumase se wo ye MPP ni fa wadwen ne to fa maka amfa so na wo bose o se be na wo bo Asante ye sum sikadwa Asante ye sum otumfo asi eti so otumfo ka hwe na na do anim ka kire ne se Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology Medical School ni bewie na Akufado enfidi from 2018 besi 2025 we ya Akufado obu Asante hene na webu Asante fo na webu yen kana kura nipa ntiase
these are not my words, but these are the words expressed by Captain Smart and Honorable Asiedu Nketia, General Mosquito. I am out. Over to our comment section. I Penyah Blog Media.